Is your PC says you are connected to Wi-Fi but nothing slow. Yeah, it's one of the most annoying problems. You are not definitely the only one who deals with this, but the good news is it's easy to fix. In this few minutes, I will show you some quick and effective ways to solve the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue on any Windows PC. So let's get started with the first method, checking your network settings. Open the search bar and type View Network Connections. Click on it when it shows up. Now look for your Wi-Fi adapter. This is what your PC uses to access the internet. That means for using internet, you might be using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Now right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and hit Properties. Scroll down and double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Here, select Use the following DNS server address. In the preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.8.8. And in the alternate DNS server box, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS server. They're fast, secure, and super reliable. This small change alone has helped a lot of people to fix their internet issue. So go ahead and check if your internet is back. That's awesome. But if it's still not working, don't worry. Go to the next and last method. That will definitely work for you. Click on the search bar again and type command prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. That's important. Once the command window opens, you are going to enter a few commands that will reset your network settings and clear out anything that might be causing issues. I have listed all the commands in the descriptions or comments, so you can easily copy and paste them one by one. After typing each command, make sure to hit enter. This command will reset your IP settings, flush the DNS cache, and refresh your network configuration, all of which can help fix internet connection issues. Once you are done entering all the commands, go ahead and restart your PC. When your system boots back up, your internet should be working smoothly again.